Today, I'm going to show you how to use Read and Write for Google's SImplify tool. The SImplify tool is a great tool to use when you're on a web page that has a lot of extra stuff on the page that is kind of distracting. So like this article I have right now has these side things. It has all these like ads along the side, has some stuff along the bottom here. And it's just kind of distracting, especially in school. So what you could do is you could click on the Read and Write for Google extension up here, the purple puzzle piece. And then when the toolbar pops up, you're going to click on this tool right here. This is the Simplify Page tool. It looks like 3 or 4 lines with the arrow pointing down. You're going to click on that, and what it's going to do is it's going to get rid of all the extra junk on the page. So this way, sometimes the pictures will come over, sometimes they won't. But this will actually bring over just the really important stuff on the page. Then there's also some other settings across the top. For instance, if you turn on the Discover tool, you'll see little purple things underlined. And when you click on any of those purple things, it'll give you a little kind of like pop out of like definitions and other information that might make this more easier to read. Another thing you could do is you could also change the color on the page. So for some people, this makes a big difference in how they are able to read the page. You could also change the font and the font size, like for instance, I like the Lexan font. And you could also change it so it's a bigger font if you want. And you could also change the line spacing so that it's a little more space between the sentences, okay? But that's the Simplify tool. And notice it opened this whole article, the simplified version of the article, on a new tab. So the regular article is still there, but the simplified version of it is much easier to read with a few less distractions. Okay, so good luck using the Simplify tool. Please let me know if you need more assistance.